Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is composed of two lobes which are located on either side of trachea. So you can see this is the front view of trachea or ventral view of trachea, and you can see thyroid gland, and this is vocal cord. So this thyroid gland has two lobes. You can see two lobes. Both the lobes are interconnected with a thin flap of connective tissue called isthmus. Thyroid gland is composed of follicles and stromal tissues. Thyroid gland is composed of follicles and stromal tissues. Each thyroid follicle is composed of follicular cells enclosing a cavity. So there is a cavity and follicular cells enclose this cavity. It is somewhat like this. These follicular cells synthesize two hormones, T3 and T4. T4 is also known as thyroxine or tetraiodothyronine, and T3 is triiodothyronine. T4 is thyroxine and T3 is triiodothyronine. Iodine is essential for normal rate of hormone synthesis in thyroid. So for normal thyroid hormone synthesis, iodine is essential. Let's discuss disorders. Deficiency of iodine in our diet results in hypothyroidism, that is less thyroid hormones, and this causes enlargement of thyroid gland, which is called as goiter. Enlargement of thyroid gland is called goiter. Hypothyroidism in pregnancy causes defective development and maturation of growing baby, leading to stunted growth of the baby called as cretinism. And this can also cause mental retardation, low intelligent quotient, that is low IQ, abnormal skin, and deaf mutism in the baby. So these are the so this is what happens in hypothyroidism. So there is stunted growth, mental retardation, low IQ, abnormal skin, and deaf mutism in the baby born to a hypothyroid mother. Due to cancer of thyroid gland or due to development of nodules of thyroid gland, the rate of synthesis, that is formation, rate of formation and secretion of thyroid hormones is increased to abnormal high levels, leading to a condition called hyperthyroidism, which adversely affects the body physiology. Exophthalmic goiter. Exophthalmic goiter. This is also known as Graves' disease. So this is a form of hyperthyroidism in which thyroid hormones are abnormally increased in the body, and this is characterized by enlargement of thyroid gland, protrusion of eyeballs, and increased basal metabolic rate, and there is a weight loss. Now let's discuss functions of thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones regulate BMR, that is basal metabolic rate. Thyroid hormones support process of RBC formation. red blood cell formation. Thyroid hormones control carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. So, in simple words, metabolism of these substances is formation and breakdown reactions of these substances, that is carbohydrate, fats, and proteins. Thyroid hormones influence maintenance of water and electrolyte balance. Thyroid gland secretes TCT, that is thyrocalcitonin. TCT is thyrocalcitonin, and this TCT regulates blood calcium levels. Regulates blood calcium levels. TCT is a protein hormone. Chemical nature of thyroid hormones. TCT is a protein hormone, thyrocalcitonin. T3 and T4, that is thyroxine. T3 and T4 thyroid hormones are iodothyrionins chemically. So you can see here iodothyrionins are thyroid hormones. TCT is also thyroid hormone, but they have clearly mentioned that it is a protein hormone. And this is also a part from NCERT written later. So T3 and T4 are iodothyrionins chemically, and TCT is protein hormone.